What's going on, y'all? Today, I fried some buffalo, y'all, and it's so tasty. Check it out, check it out. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So of course, you know we got a rain on. Hit them with a little salt. A little pepper. Fresh of course. Always fresh. Now we only season it with salt and pepper on the skin side. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this Lori seasoning. Now we gonna season this on both sides, y'all. Both sides. After we get it seasoned up, we gonna get it into our cornmeal. Now this is just straight cornmeal, y'all. No seasoning at all. We seasoned our fish well in the beginning. So once we get a good coating on our fish, it's time to get into that oil, y'all. And our oil is set at 350 degrees. And I'm using vegetable oil, of course. Now you can use whatever kind of oil you like. I will use vegetable oil or canola oil, me myself. But the choice is yours, y'all. The choice is yours. Oh my goodness. It always look good to see that good fish frying in that skillet, y'all. And I love to use cast iron when it comes to frying anything, y'all. Anything. But anyway, after about 4 minutes, we're gonna give it a flippy flip. And we're gonna let this fry on the other side for 4 more minutes. That's a total cooking time of 8 minutes, y'all. 8 minutes, y'all. Now this will vary depending on the size of your fish, so make sure you take that in consideration. And after them 8 minutes is up, let's go ahead and get that buffalo out, y'all. And it's looking so tasty. So tasty. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, y'all. Don't that fish look crispy? I'm finna hurt myself, y'all. I'm finna hurt myself. So as you can see, look at that crispy, perfectly fried buffalo. Now the only thing about buffalo, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, it got lots of little bones in it. So you have to be careful when you eat it. Now, if you have a place that sell buffalo ribs, then you really don't have to worry about them bones like that, because you can just eat really easy buffalo ribs, because they don't have the little small bones on it. They cut that part off. But anyway, that buffalo was so good and crispy and seasoned to perfection. So good, y'all. So good. Now with mine, I had me a baked potato with sour cream and cheddar cheese. And take a look at that, y'all. That was so good too. Nice and creamy, fluffy potatoes. That sour cream just hit right on point. And look at these green beans, y'all. Oh yeah. Like I say, y'all, I hurt myself. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.